Okay, just got this AULA BeFire keyboard off eBay from somebody in Hong Kong. I might not be pronouncing that right, I'm not sure. AULA. Open up the box, and there we have the keyboard. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool look. Lightweight, kind of cheap plastic, but anyway, this one illuminates. That's why I got it. Illuminates in blue. Only does blue. Well, you can get the one in red, but this one only does blue. That's the low, and then the high intensity level, and then you can make it pulsate like that. Now, this isn't complete darkness. There's light coming through the window right now, but that's with complete darkness in the room, and that's what it looks like pulsating. And then there's the high intensity level, low intensity level, and off. And I'm going to hold the keyboard up perpendicular to the camera to show you a little better. That's low, and then that's high. And then that's going to be, and that's pulsating. Now, there's only one thing about this keyboard I really don't like. It's the enter key. Notice this enter key. It's not like my other computer keyboards. There are 3 keys horizontal that come after the L key. 1, 2, 3, and then the enter key. So usually on a normal keyboard there's just 2 keys. So your pinky has to really stretch to get way over there to that enter key. So like on this keyboard, for example, there are 2 keys after the L, and then comes the enter. So your pinky doesn't have as far to reach when you're typing. Where this one, I gotta get used to it. Your pinky really has to get way over there to get to that enter key. I don't like that. Because you can see that key right there. That key right there on a normal keyboard is right there on this keyboard. See, it's over the enter key on a normal keyboard, but not on this one. So that's the main gripe I have about this keyboard. I also don't like how these symbols are right beside the numbers. I'd rather have them on top. That's what I'm used to. But anyway. There's feet on the bottom of this keyboard you can pull out to make it incline a little bit, which is kind of nice. And that right there, that's plastic, that's not rubber. Got a little spider. The keys on this keyboard are a little mushy for my taste. Not too bad, but that's the only way I can describe them, just a little mushy.